you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing some new Moda brushes that just dropped. So if you would like to see what's inside this box, then just stay tuned. All right, so Moda Brushes was kind enough to send over their brand new neon glitter brushes. We have the neon glitter face kit as well as the neon glitter eye kit. And this is in neon purple. These brushes do come in neon blue as well as neon pink. All right, so taking a closer look at these brushes. This is the neon glitter face kit. It comes with 4 brushes. They're 100% vegan and cruelty-free and versatile for wet or dry product. So starting us off, we've got a powder brush here. This is going to buff and blend products out with ease. Next, we have the glow brush. This is the perfect brush to apply highlighter upon the cheeks or maybe even setting powder along targeted areas under the eye, T-zone area. Next, we have a shader brush, which is perfect for packing on pigments or eyeshadows and blending them out seamlessly. And then last but not least, we have the angle liner brush, which is perfect to get that crisp liner look. Moving right along, we have the neon glitter eye kit. This comes with 5 brushes. Starting us off, we have another shader brush. This is perfect for blending out eyeshadows, packing them on. Next, we have the crease brush, which is perfect for just that, getting that perfect seamless blend in that crease and creating definition. Next is one of my favorite Moda brush tools. This is called the Glam Topper, and this silicone tip picks up glitter with ease. I also use this for metallic eyeshadows, shimmery eyeshadows, or even those pressed glitter pigments that are in eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, this Glam Topper is one of my favorites. So next we have a mini shader, which is perfect for packing stuff onto the lid, getting right into those hard to reach places, or maybe even smoking out the lower lash line. Then we have our small blender. This is perfect for that inner corner, right below the brow bone, right into the crease for a more detailed kind of blend, or even on the lower lash line as well. And just like all Moda brushes, the handles of these are completely waterproof. Let's jump into a makeup tutorial using the brand new neon glitter face and eye kits from Moda Brushes. And here is the final look that we created using the new Moda Neon Glitter Face and Eye Kits. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda for sending me these brushes to try. You guys, I do have a code with Moda that I make a little bit of money off of. So if you would like to help me out, as well as save yourself some money, I will leave that code on the screen right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.